Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next product to go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This is the NEWQ 10,000 milliamp magnetic foldable wireless power bank that's used for iPhones and Apple Watches. It is a really clever device. I've been using it for about a week on my bedside table and I love it. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take it on my next trip because of all the functionality and just the coolness factor of it. Let me show you exactly how the whole thing works. So let me show you what you actually get in the box. You get a little set of instructions. That's good. It kind of walks you all through it. It kind of gives you all the setup and how to work. It's really pretty straightforward. You do get a short little cord. I wish the cord was a little bit longer, but it's USB-C on both sides, but you can use any USB cord that you have that'll actually fit with the bank itself. And then here it is. Here is the NEWQ power bank. You can see it looks really nice. It is small. Here is my iPhone 12 Pro for comparison, and you can see it looks like a battery. It's pretty short though. It just has some neat little features on it. Now, this thing is essentially a giant battery, and it has that circle there. It can go ahead and wirelessly charge my phone. So here's what I'm going to do. There's a little power button on it that actually shows you the power. I'll click it once. There we go. It's all powered up. It's all charged up. It's got four batteries. It's got 4 lights on it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my phone, stick it there. Now check this out. It's magnetic. I am not touching my phone. It will stay there. I can do the same thing here. It will stay there. You can see it will stay on. It's pretty strong. My case is a little thicker, so it has a little bit more of a slide factor, but it is a strong enough magnet to kind of stick it on in most cases. Now, the whole idea is, you can see it is charging. It is charging, little lightning bolt there. The whole idea is that you just kind of drop your phone on this for a little bit, then you just pick it up and go. This is really cool. It's very helpful. It is great for being on the go, especially if you're traveling and you need to go ahead and charge your phone. I will often go to theme parks or cruises or long vacation days where I have 12, 15 hours worth of activity and I need some power because my phone itself, I take a lot of videos, it'll just go ahead and die off. This thing is nice. Just slap it on the back, walk around it for a little bit, and your phone will be charged. Just so you know, if you have a phone that doesn't use a magnetic thing, that's fine. It'll still stick to the phone, but you can actually then plug a cord into either one of these little ports here. Got a USB-C and a USB-A port. You can plug in it. You can actually charge phones off that as well. To charge it up, you just plug the cord in, plug it into a power block, and you're good. Now let me show you the really cool feature of this. So here's a little power block. It's real easy to use. Again, it kind of sticks to the back of the phone. That's great, but also it's foldable. I can pull that out and I get a little stand just like that. And then I take my phone and I kind of put it on there and there we go. It is now charging, as you can see. Oh, there it is, little lightning bolt. It is now charging. So I just let my phone rest there, but wait, I also have an Apple Watch and my Apple Watch is kind of low. No problem. Watch this on the back. You can also lift out this little, there we go, lever. And what I normally do is at night is I kind of keep that open and then I put my watch on there and then give it a sec and there we go, that's charging as well. So you can see, I just take it off, put it back on, and it'll start charging again. So there you go. It actually is a good little magnet on there. There's a little magnet on the back that kind of keeps your phone or your watch in place. It works really well. And again, it does work really well with the phone, but I can do the phone and the watch all at once, all with one battery. The more things you have charging off it, the little slower things will take to charge, obviously, but it really does work very well. And when I wake up in the morning, everything's 100% and we're good to go for the day. When you're done, you can go ahead and just take everything off. There's the watch, there's the phone, and the whole thing collapses right back down like that. And again, you can kind of turn off the battery with a double click, and there we go. And we're set and ready for the day. I can go ahead and plug this into the wall to recharge it up, but it has lots of good power with it, and it will be good for lots of charge all day long wherever you're going. Again, it's perfect for travel. It is great for bedside, like next to your nightstand, however you do stuff, but it's really designed for travel, and it really works well that way. So there you have it. This is one really cool little charging block. I really like it a lot. It has a lot of cool functionality. Again, you can plug it in and charge it. That's fine. You can charge your phone on it with it plugged in all night long. That's cool, but you can also do it wirelessly. That's what I've been doing with it. I've been traveling around work with it a little bit. I took it to work 2 days in a row just to kind of just test my phone, throw my phone on there, just kind of keep it charged. It worked really, really well. I don't charge my watch quite as often, but you can throw it on there. At night, I do toss it on there, and it just charges the whole thing up. The whole thing just works really, really well. At night, I also do tend to plug it in and kind of recharge the battery and charge. So I'm charging the battery, the phone, and my watch all at night, and that works really great as well. It's just a cool little device. It just has a lot of neat little features. It's exactly what you need when you travel and when you're at home. It just has a good combination of both. And if nothing else, it's a great battery charger. It's a great charger to have with you. The fact that it's magnetic, foldable, and has all these other options are really a big plus. So yeah, it's highly recommended.